Happy Friday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Denise Isaac. Thanks for visiting WXYZ.com. Most of the advisories have now been dropped over southeastern Michigan. We do have a wind advisory until noon today, but for St. Clair, Sanilac, and towards the Thumb region. For the rest of us, the winds will still be an issue this afternoon, allowing for wind chill values in the 30s, but overall not as strong of a wind like we had overnight. So snow showers are tapering off slowly, mostly from west to east. And the good news is that if you're planning on having, at least going to the game or having any outdoor activities, we are expecting snow showers to be out of here come 6:30 a.m. We'll have partly sunny skies early, but the skies will begin to clear fairly quickly, and by 9:30 we're looking at mostly sunny skies. And by the time the first pitch comes around, or even if you're walking out for lunch, it will be bright and sunny. So that will make a whole of a world of a difference. Trust me on that. Our home opener against the Red Sox, the first pitch at 1:10 p.m. and this is the temperature we can expect. 45 degrees, still kind of brisk with a wind, so it'll make it feel like the 30s, so make sure you're bundled up, but it'll be mostly sunny skies. We'll warm up to 49 this afternoon, breezy, mostly sunny. Tonight, 32, clear, and the wind will be on the decrease. By tomorrow, bright sunny skies, a high of 60 degrees, really pleasant and gorgeous. By Sunday, 69, so it's a picture perfect weekend. Come Monday, we're looking at rain chances once again, 20%, a high at 70 degrees, and more rain showers come Tuesday with a high at 65.